Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change a wishlist to private Amazon shopping on computer. So how to change a wishlist to private Amazon shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. On your List section, tap the list you want to change. Well, here you will enter your list menu. Next, tap on the three-dot menu section here. And two menu options will appear. Tap the Manage List menu. And a menu like this will appear. In the Privacy section. And several options will appear. Select Private. After finishing, tap Save Change. So that's it, tutorial how to change a wishlist to private Amazon shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.